Past Perfect or Past Simple Exercise 1.
Hi, and welcome to this video exercise from perfectenglishgrammar.com.
Change the verb to the correct tense, either the past perfect or the past simple. First, you'll see a sentence with a space. For example,
when I arrived in London last year, there before.
Then, after a few seconds, the answer will appear. When I arrived in London last year, I had never been there before. Let's begin. We had already eaten when John home. We had already eaten when John came home. Last year, Juan all his exams. Last year, Juan passed all his exams. When I to the airport, I discovered I'd forgotten my passport. When I got to the airport, I discovered I'd forgotten my passport. I went to the library, then I some milk and went home. I went to the library, then I bought some milk and went home. I opened my handbag to find that my credit card. I opened my handbag to find that I had forgotten my credit card.
When we at the station, the train had already left. When we arrived at the station, the train had already left. We got home to find that someone into the house. We got home to find that someone had broken into the house. I opened the fridge to find someone all my chocolate. I opened the fridge to find someone had eaten all my chocolate. I had known my husband for 3 years when we married. I had known my husband for 3 years when we got married. Julie was very pleased to see that John the kitchen. Julie was very pleased to see that John had cleaned the kitchen. It all summer, so the grass was completely dead. It hadn't rained all summer, so the grass was completely dead. When he at the party, Julie had just left. When he arrived at the party, Julie had just left. After arriving home, I realized any milk. After arriving home, I realized I hadn't bought any milk. The laundry was wet, while I was out. The laundry was wet, it had rained while I was out. William felt ill last night because he too many cakes. William felt ill last night because he had eaten too many cakes. Keiko William last September. Keiko met William last September. First I tidied the flat, then I Down and had a cup of coffee. First, I tidied the flat, then I sat down and had a cup of coffee. John, the piano when he was a child, but he doesn't play now. John played the piano when he was a child, but he doesn't play now. When I opened the curtains, the sun was shining, but the ground was white. During the night. When I opened the curtains, the sun was shining, but the ground was white. It had snowed during the night. When Julie got home from her holiday, her flat was a mess. John, a party. When Julie got home from her holiday, her flat was a mess. John had had a party. Thank you for watching.